Hi all, welcome to another unboxing. This time it is a big one. It's a huge package. I'll try to keep it in frame as much as possible, but pardon if I go out of frame. This is the Yamaha R-N803 receiver. Let me show you the packaging from all four sides. Okay. It has the warranty card attached and it is purchased from Yamaha India. Yeah. This is this side with tracking number and all, and the bottom does not have anything. So let's keep it upright. Yeah, we are in the frame. So that's good. Let's unbox it now. We are good. So these are all the items what you get in the box. This is the FM antenna. I think this is the AM antenna. Okay, let's keep it to the side. Then you have your FM antenna. Okay. Here goes the YPOW connector. It's a mic basically. Two AA batteries. Great. Power lead. Here's the remote. Quite a huge service manual. How to use Tidal, online streaming, Spotify, get a small guide for each. This is a real service manual. Really reminiscent of classic electronics, what we used to get before in the 80s or the 90s. Full blown user manual we get. Now here's the amplifier itself. Okay. Let me move this box out of the view. And another thing which we get is a secondary power cord, which is a Euro power cord. So here's the amp itself. Yeah. Surprising enough, they have shipped it with the antenna attached. So this is the top view. This is from the side. Let me show you from the bottom itself. Okay, it's pretty heavy at 11.5 kgs. This is the rear panel. And I cannot put it rest on its back because it will damage the Wi-Fi antenna. So here's the front of the unit. Okay. Let me just so here comes the antenna. Yeah. The volume control is really nice. All the controls sit in the middle with a solid click. Input is a rotary encoder. All switches feel very clicky and solid. Yeah. Nice. Time to plug it in and play. Thank you for watching.